Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big red button at the center. We can also move up to the second from the left button to change speed of our slow motion. And as you can see, we get access to the slider. We can pick between 120 fps to 140 fps. This is standard slow motion. And when we move to 480 or 960, we get access to ultra slow motion. With these two speeds, we can also tap to the center button to turn on motion detection or turn it off. Now let me stay, for example, on 240. We can also move to this button, the second from the right now, to change the quality of our video. But let's stay on this settings, for example, to start recording to show you how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video, we have to go to left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can see how the slow motion video looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.